Alright, so for the next part that I want to be doing here is I want to be adding a package and a class inside the package, and I want to be calling a method and then trying to make or at least call that method within my web page to make things run. Alright, so now again, we can include several HTML documents here. Let's say, for example, horizontal ruler, break, break. I want to add an image. Let's say the source is from the internet or anything inside the source. Let's call it whatever. Right? So let's say I want to add some code here. However, my code should be able to do something useful. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to create. I want it to be a part of a package. I want to create a new Java class. So I'm going to call this Taylor. I'm going to name the package. There we go. Or let's just name it like this. There. Finished. And I created the regular Java class that we always used to create. Right? So again, part of my class I had a constructor that was the same name. So I can create a new instance of that. I can create a public method that returns a string. There, I can even have it returning HTML. Right? There. So let me just save that one. I'm going to go back to my index, and this time on the top after the content type I want to be adding a page import. Now what should the name of this be? So go back here, my package was ATS, my class name is Taylor Swift. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ATS Taylor Swift. There, that should work. There's something wrong. Oops, forgot page directive. There we go. So after doing that, I can go ahead inside my code and create a new instance, just like we used to do it back in J2SE. And once I do that, I can have access to the method that I created. Now this method returns to me a string. So what I want to do is I want to place it inside the print. There we go. I can save it. I'm gonna run it. There we go. So this is what I got. Let me just view the page source. There. So you can see I have a hello world, just like I have here. I have a break. I have a horizontal line. Then I have the part where I wrote Taylor Swift. So you can see as part of the code here, I already placed break, Taylor Swift, and break. And after this, I have the break again. This is wrong. It should be this. And then I have the image that I created. Now the reason why you don't see the image is because the image doesn't exist here, but you can always place an image there and then reference it, right? That's it. So just by this alone, I think you can understand how many classes we can create, how many from within this class I can create another class, I can create internal classes, so on and so forth, and I can call methods from my JSP just by importing that class and calling the function associated with it. That's it.